Hi, I welcome you all to this session on creating personal areas and assigning personal areas to the company code. So, the screen that is appearing before you, it is the BPP document. That means business blueprint documents on the basis of what we have to configure the SAP system. Okay. In the last sessions, we discussed about like creating company code. So we have created a company. Okay, that is called SA99, that is the company code, and name of the company is Sahu Internationals. Okay. So let me tell you, let me repeat here also, reiterate here also. Once this company code is created, okay, that cannot be edited. Whereas you can edit the name of the company, the text, but the company code cannot be edited. Okay, this is the standard behavior, SAP behavior. Okay. So company code, there are three labels, three structures that is coming under this. Okay, one is company code, personal area. This is company, personal area. Personal area tells about the geographical locations. So then we can there is also personal sub area, like various departments that existing in that particular locations. Okay, so these are the codes one by one. We'll discuss one by one, and we will also create this. Okay. So we'll go to the like we'll open this. I have already logged in. Okay, we'll check. Okay, we'll go for SPRO. Okay, under SPRO, uh, we have to go for this SAP reference IMG. This is IMG stand for implementation guide. So you can see this here, enterprise structure is there. Okay, we can go for yesterday we have created the what the company code. Will check that. Okay, first. So this is as let me tell you, this company code creations is the job of the FICO consultant. Actually, this is not the job of HR consultant. Okay, but however, for the sake of understanding, we have created one. We'll see this. So this is definition. Under that, we'll go for financial accounting. Okay, so under that, you can see here edit, copy, delete, check company code. We'll go for that. This is the executions. Then we can go for this. Okay, so this is where we will find the list of companies. Okay, that are created. This is a dummy system. Actually, this is for the learning purpose training system. Therefore, we are getting so many companies, but in client system, you will obviously get mostly one company. Okay, we can search for this. So, what is the name? So, name that has been given, that code that has given SA99. Okay, we can search what is the name of the company. So it is written, it is Sahu International. SA99 is the Sahu Internationals. The company has been created. Okay. So, what are the various locations that the company is having operations that we need to configure? Okay, that will come under personal area. We will create once again personal area. Okay, we will create personal area. Once again, we will go for this. This is SPRO. Okay, then we can go for definitions. Okay, personal area, if you see, this is the job of the HCM consultant. Okay, we can go for this. Okay, so you can see there are options are coming up here: personal areas, personal sub areas, employee groups, employee subgroup. We can create under this. Okay, so to we can start here, we can do here, we can configure personal areas. Okay, so then we can go for this. Okay, so how many locations the company is having? Locations, as the BBB document says, I have shown you at the beginning. Else let me show you once again. Okay, let me show you once again. So this is the locations. This is the personal areas that we are going to create this. Okay, personal areas is in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay, so MU99 is the code stands for Mumbai, DL99 stands for Delhi, BL99 stands for Bangalore, HY99 stands for Hyderabad. Okay, so this is the BBB document. It is actually, this is the approved by the client. Okay, so on the basis of this, and that HCM consultant has to configure. Okay, so actually it can be also, there is no that rigid rules that whether it has to be like alphanumeric or it can be numeric, it can be, so it depends on the client choice. Okay, let me clarify this. So it can be also n like MUM1, there is nothing wrong in that. Okay, but however, as per the client choice, we have to develop the codes. The codes have been suggested by the clients, so that is normally being configured by the consultant. Okay, so these are the, let us remember, MU99, DL99, BL99 and HY99. These are the 4 locations we will create under this. Okay, so let us see. So this is here new entries appears, you can see. Okay, change view personal areas overviews. Okay, so new entries, we can see for new entries. Okay, it's a personal areas. So personal areas MU99. MU99 stands for Mumbai. Sorry, it stands for Mumbai. Okay, it stands for Mumbai. We can also write the detail address. Okay, but for the we will not write all these things. Country key, it is IN. IN stands for India. Okay, region key, we will see Mumbai stands for, it is Maharashtra for 13. Okay, we will select this 13. So it is, so then we can save. Okay, after that we can also fill up all these things. Okay, but what we will do, we will not fill up all these things, we will only continue with the region and this. Okay, country is IN. IN, we will select India. Then region is 13, we have seen just 13. 13 for Maharashtra, because Mumbai is there in Maharashtra, then we can see. So one transfer request has been generated. So we can, this is the old one transfer request, but what we will do, we will create a new transfer request. Okay, because we are not creating the company code, rather what we will do, it we are creating the see, we can see here short descriptions, we can see. Okay, like we can say creation of, or we can write creation of personal 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 area. Okay, okay, so we can creation of personal area. So we can save this. Okay, we can save this. So now creation of personal area, a new TR number, transfer request number, has been generated. Okay, so what is this transfer request number? So this is just, you can tell it, this is the file name. So this is required for data migrations. Okay, at a later stage. So you can record this, then we can continue here. Okay, so now you can see, so there are two fields that are appearing here. One is this is completely disabled, you cannot edit. Okay, you cannot edit, but here however you can edit this. Okay, suppose you want to text it, you can edit. So basically that SAP recognize the codes. Okay, So once the code is created, you can delete it. You can create another code like MU like 98, 96, like that. If that code doesn't exist, okay, you can create it, but it cannot be edited. It can be deleted. Okay, so this is the thing. Then we can go. We will create another personal areas. We can go back. Okay, we can go back once again. We can go back. Okay, so once again we will click on it. Okay, so we can click on here, then we can go for new entries. So next, Delhi DL99, four locations or personal areas we are going to create. Okay, so it is DELHI, Delhi. Okay, so similarly country key is here, IN means it is India. Region key, so see, you can, if you do not know what is the region key, you can search here. Okay, you can search here, so it will come. You can double click here, so it will automatically come here. Okay, so then we can save it. So after that, here country key is IN. Okay, so then we can go for 13 here. uh, Delhi, it is Delhi, sorry, it is, I'm sorry, Delhi. uh, Once again, for Delhi, I think we have committed mistakes. Once again, we will go for Delhi regions. There is a different, because it is Delhi is not there in Maharashtra. Sorry, I am. So we'll see for Delhi. Delhi code is 30. Yes, Delhi code is 30. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so then we can save it. Okay, so we are creating the personal areas. We can go for this. Okay, data is saved, means whatever modifications we have done, that is saved here. Okay, so Delhi we have created, then we will go for Bangalore. Okay, we will go for Bangalore. Okay, so we will make the new entry. Bangalore's code is BL99, so we can write BANGA, Bangalore. Okay, so this is the country key is India. Okay, then we can go for region. Bangalore is there in Karnataka. We'll see Karnataka 10. Okay, then we can save. Okay, so here country key is IN, then region is 10. 10 is Karnataka. Bangalore is there in Karnataka. Then we can go for this. So Bangalore has been created. You can see Bangalore has been created. Okay. So then another that we have to create another locations, that is personal areas, that is called Hyderabad, HY99. Well, standard we can write it caps lock, HY99. It stands for Hyderabad. HYH, Hyderabad. Okay. Okay, Hyderabad. I think this is not there. Hyderabad. Okay. So it is Hyderabad. Sorry, Hyderabad. BAD. Okay. So this is, then country key is IN. Hyderabad is there in Andhra Pradesh. We will check the key here. The code Andhra Pradesh stands for 1. Okay. So this is, we can save it. Once we save it, country is India, INDIA, then region is 01. Okay, we can save it. So we can continue with this. Sorry. So 4 locations we have created. Okay, one is Mumbai. Mumbai, the code of Mumbai is MU99. Delhi DL99, BL99 for Bangalore, and Hyderabad is the code of Hyderabad is HY99. The name of the company is Sahu International, that is SA99. Okay, everything we are coding as 99 so that you can easily relate it. Okay, then we can go there. Okay, we can see whether here it appears. You can see HY99 is stands for Hyderabad. Okay, so we will go for positions. Okay, we can search here. Suppose take for whether Mumbai exists or not. MU99. Okay, so Mumbai MU99 already personal area text is also there. MU99 is there. Okay, so this you can see it is appearing here entry 103 of 164. That means 164 rows are there, and this MU99 is there in 103 row. Okay, so this is it. So similarly we can go for searching of Delhi, like DL99. Okay, we can search this. Okay, so Delhi is there in 56 row. Okay. Similarly we can go for searching of Bangalore location, BL99. So this is also there in 38 line. So then we can go for also Hyderabad HY99. Okay. So this is we are finding it. It is in the row of 968. Okay. So now we have created the locations, that is called personal areas. Then we will go for, that is as per the BBP document. Let us see the BBP document once again. Okay, so what happens, we have created now the company code is there, and locations, that is personal areas we have that created. But thing is that we have to assign that Mumbai, that we have to that assign this code MU99, DL99, BL99, HY99. These otherwise assigned to this the company code. Okay, that means the company is having certain operation in the following locations. Okay, otherwise these locations and company exist that independently, there is no linkage. We have to that assign these codes to the company codes. Okay, so accordingly we have to work. So let us see. So we'll go back. We'll go back. So we'll see here. This is the implementation guide, enterprise structure we have here. Okay, we have here definitions. Okay, under definitions we can check and it is here close to definition there is assignment. Okay, so assignments we will click on HRM, because HRM, it is the task of HRM. You can see assignment of personal area to company code. Okay, assignment of personal area to company code. So we'll execute here. Okay, we'll execute here. So after that what we can do, we can see this is change view assignment of personal area to company code. We can search for this. Okay, so here we will search like Mumbai locations. What is the code? MU99. Okay, sorry, MU99. Okay, so we will get it. So it has come. What is the company code? Company code was SA99. SA99. Okay, SA99. It is there. Sahu International, Bhubaneswar. Okay, so country grouping, it will come by default. Okay, country grouping will be for India, for it is 40. Okay, this is country grouping for India is 40. Then we can go for save. Okay, see, we can continue with this. So we have got it. See, Mumbai personal area Mumbai 99. So the company code SA99 Sahu International Country Group. It has come now. Okay. So we can go for another, like 4 locations we have done. Okay. Once again we can go for this. Okay. We can go for the positions here. So what is the personal area? So DL99. DL99. Okay. Delhi locations. We have got it. So this is Delhi. It is there. Company code. Similarly, we can assign SA99. So SA99 it has come. Now we have to code. This is the country grouping code is 40. So we can save it. Okay, we can save it. So now company has been changed. Okay, the country grouping code has been changed. Okay. SA99. Sorry. So it is. I think we have committed some mistakes. Country grouping code is. We will see how it is. It is India. Okay. Oh, we have committed some mistakes here, like Hyderabad 99. Okay, we'll write also here SA 99. Okay, then here we'll write 40. Okay, 40. Okay, we'll go for one second. Let us see. Then the company code is used in other personal areas. Okay, country code is used in other personal areas. Okay, now it is, we have found DL is there. Okay, so data is saved now. Okay, so we'll see the Hyderabad HY 99. So HY99 we have already configured. Similarly, we'll try to see it, suppose BL99. It is BL99 is having certain issues, like we will see here, like SA99. This is the company name. So the country code is grouping is 40. So we'll do this. So for this, I think the country grouping of company code has been changed. The company code is used in other personal areas. The country grouping will also be changed. Okay, so data is saved now. Okay, so we have now done all these things. Let us have a quick recap what we have done. So in the sessions, we created some of the personal areas and we tried to link the personal areas. We assign the personal areas to the company code. Okay, so this is the personal areas actually, and there are also personal sub areas we will create in the next sessions, and we have to, or we need to assign these personal areas to these locations. Okay, so we have done our sessions. Thank you very much.